at lunch we're talking about what to eat for dinner, and at dinner we're talking about what to eat for lunch. It's my cup of chai, yaar. Nayan, you're getting me into trouble.
No.
No, I can't diet. So I think I'll eat everything and work out. I love food too much. Hi everyone, I'm Tara Sataria and I'm so excited to be here on Pink Villa, and this is what I eat in a day. You know, I never thought that I was one of those people that could just eat everything and get away with it, but I've been told that I am. I do realize though that I think that's just now because I'm in my 20s, I can afford to do that. But I come from a very like khata pita, like Parsi family where everyone's main goal in the day is to talk about food, eat food, make food. So I need to be very careful. But yeah, I'm fortunate. I've also been, you know, working my whole life and dancing my whole life. So luckily that's kept me in shape. But yeah, I've just started working out recently. So thank God. Apart from my tea, I think just catch up with my friends, because I know sometimes in the day things can get really busy, and you know, despite the lockdown, so much is going on. I think just catch up with my friends as soon as I take my first sip of tea. I'm like, hi guys, what's up? Because I don't want to miss out on anything that's going on in their lives. So yeah, that. So what I usually eat, I'm not a huge breakfast eater. I'm more of a tea person, but when I do eat breakfast, I usually eat it when I'm on set and shooting because I need the energy for the whole day. It could be an omelette, or it could be, like I said, eggs kejriwal, which is basically just a fried egg with like lots of mirchi on a buttery cheesy toast, which is again not very healthy, but it's yummy. So guys, please try it. And yeah, it could be like a really yum sandwich, or yeah, just chai. I'm not a big breakfast person. For lunch, every day is different. Like I said, in our house, at lunch we're talking about what to eat for dinner, and at dinner we're talking about what to eat for lunch. So it's every day is different. I don't really have a diet like, you know, most people I think in our industry stick to a certain plan and then cheat on Sundays or things like that. I would love to know how these people are doing it, because I don't know how. I really need to. Every day is different. I mean, like today I had biryani for lunch and I tried making some jungly mutton for dinner. So I mean, every day is different. My last meal, I try to do that as early as possible, around 8:30 I think. Favorite meal of the day I think would be dinner, because I like to put my candles on, put music on. Everyone's usually free at that time of the night, so I usually, you know, love to spend dinners with my family. I'm not an early, I mean, I'm an early riser when I have work, but apart from that, I think I'm just a night bird. I love the night time. I think it's so quiet and peaceful, and I can really focus on what I need to at night. To work out, I think the morning, you know, despite the fact that everyone thinks you're going to be lethargic or you're going to be a bit sleepy or groggy in the mornings, I actually enjoy dancing or working out first thing in the morning. Again, I know I should, but it's my cup of chai, yaar. Nayan, you're getting me into trouble.
No.
I should be saying, I have this shake and I have this healthy food and salad, and I'm like, oh guys, I only drink chai. Very bad. Nayan, all these questions, you're asking the wrong person. Listen, I just feel like you are what you eat. My mom has always said this to me. So if you're someone who enjoys food, eat everything in moderation, work it out if you have to, if you feel your body demands it, and if you want to look a certain way, absolutely. But I don't think one should constantly be counting what they're eating and constantly be saying, oh, only Sunday, you know, Sunday is the only day I'm going to cheat, because I feel that kind of deprivation isn't really good. Then again, I'm not saying be unhealthy, be fit, work out, dance, do whatever suits you, and eat what you enjoy in moderation. Favorite munchie? Oh God, there are so many. I love Flaming Hot Cheetos. That's so yummy. My guilty pleasure, I think I absolutely love rice and meat. So when the two are combined, or seafood, I can't choose one. I mean, I feel like a good biryani. A good biryani is something that I'm just gonna be happy with no matter what. This is very tricky. No, I can't diet. So I think I'll eat everything and work out. I love food too much. So everyone, that was everything that I eat in a day. I hope you enjoyed it.